Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make authentic dashi stock from scratch. While instant Hondashi powder is convenient, crafting your own dashi provides a truly superior flavor for your Japanese dishes. We'll focus on the classic combination of kombu, which is dried kelp, and katsuobushi, which are dried bonito flakes. These two simple yet powerful ingredients are the backbone of countless traditional Japanese recipes, adding a deep, savory umami. Our first step involves preparing the kombu infusion. Take 8 cups of cold water and add about 20 grams of dried kombu. Allow the kombu to soak for at least 30 minutes, or even overnight, to extract its subtle flavors. Then, gently heat this mixture over a medium-low flame. It's crucial to remove the kombu just before the water begins to boil, as boiling can release bitter notes and make your dashi slimy. Once the kombu is removed, it's time for the katsuobushi. Add approximately 25 grams of dried bonito flakes to the hot water. Immediately turn off the heat and let the flakes steep for about 5 to 10 minutes, or until they naturally sink to the bottom of the pot. Finally, carefully strain the dashi through a fine mesh sieve or a cheesecloth. Remember, do not press the bonito flakes, as this can introduce unwanted bitterness. Your freshly made dashi is now ready to elevate your cooking. You can store this liquid gold in the refrigerator for up to 7 days. For extended freshness, consider freezing it in airtight containers or even ice cube trays, where it will last for several months. Dashi is incredibly versatile. It forms the flavorful foundation for classic miso soup, delicious noodle broths, and many simmering dishes, adding a profound umami to almost any Japanese creation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.